So today I'm making a 2 ingredient pancake. So it's very simple. You need 2 things, and what I like about it is fast, and you don't need a lot of things. So sure, it's not super sweet. So if you want it to be more sweet, add more fruit and something like that. Because I don't do this in this video, but I think that I should have done. So this is about it. Do I have something else? No, I think not. So let's start. So I hope you like this mini video, and I think I will do other thing like that because it's not too long to do. So if you like it, let's thumbs up. If you like it, let's a thumbs up. If you want to see more video, you can subscribe to my channel. So see you again. Ciao.